You want to take the trip, but planning it is a mess. 20 tabs, a dozen blogs, and still no actual plan. What if you had a travel agent who did it all in minutes for free? That's what Claude can be. A travel agent that builds a full trip around you, the itinerary, the food, where to stay, the budget, shaped to exactly how you like to travel. Step 1. Give it the brief. Where you're going, when, for how long, your budget, and who's coming. The more it knows, the more the plan feels made for you. Step 2. Build me a day-by-day itinerary, morning to night. In seconds, you've got a real schedule, not just a pile of ideas, but an actual plan you could follow tomorrow. Step 3. The fun part? Shape it. Make it more relaxed. Keep it cheaper. More food, less museums. Just keep tweaking and it reworks the whole trip until it's yours. Ask it to estimate what each day costs and keep the whole thing under your number. You see the money side before you go, not as a nasty surprise when you get home. Then dig deeper. What would a local do here? You get the quiet gems and neighborhood spots, the good stuff most tourists walk right past while they wait in line. Ask which neighborhood to stay in for the kind of trip you want. Walkable and lively, or calm and quiet. Being in the right area beats a fancy room in the wrong part of town. Have it explain how to get around, when to walk, when to take transit, when a ride is worth it. All the little logistics that usually eat your first confused day. Now the best part? The food. Tell it what you love and what you'll spend, and it finds the places. The street eats, the local favorites, and the one nice dinner worth splurging on. Before you zip the bag, ask for a packing list built around the weather and your actual plans. You stop overpacking and you stop forgetting the one thing you always forget. Heading somewhere they speak another language? Ask for the key phrases. Hello, thank you, a few polite basics. A little effort earns a lot of goodwill, and Claude can translate on the fly too. And ask for a plan B, rainy day options, indoor ideas, a backup near each stop. So when the weather turns or a spot is closed, one hiccup doesn't blow up your whole day. Traveling with others? Tell it about the group. Little kids, tired feet, a picky eater, different interests. And it balances the days so everyone gets a little something they love. One important rule, it plans but you book. Prices, opening hours, and visa rules change. Wow. So confirm the key details yourself and reserve flights and rooms through official sites. Then save it. Paste the final plan into your notes or drop each day on your calendar. Your whole trip lives in your pocket. No frantic scrolling to remember what's next. And this isn't just for the big vacation. A weekend away, a day trip, even a fun day in your own city. Same moves, smaller map. A little planning makes any time off feel richer. The payoff? You go from overwhelmed and putting it off to a real plan in minutes. And the trip you kept talking about? It finally actually happens. So, 5 moves. Give it the trip, ask for a day-by-day, refine it to your style, get the local food and hidden gems, then confirm the details and book it yourself. Tomorrow we plan a whole week of meals and a grocery list. In minutes. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool. I'll see you then.